Lesson 6. Are you feeling confused? Are you doubting yourself? Are you doubting what you are hearing? Perhaps you even feel you've lost something of what you had. That's the thinker trying desperately to remember what he knows. I've told you, self-knowledge or the truth can't be remembered or thought about. So, of course, while the thinker's trying to remember what can't be remembered, you're sure to feel confused and doubtful. Or frustrated and emotional. Who wouldn't? Even so, you must not get caught up in it. You won't nearly as much now anyway, now that you know better. Confusion is a passing phase. It's very necessary. It means you're breaking up the thinker's old established ground. He's being shaken, not you. It's all right. Feel the good under or around the confusion. The good is you. The confusion's him. From now on, each time the emotion starts to rise in any situation, your intelligence will often be there first. You'll have practiced so frequently feeling what it feels like to feel the emotion inside you, like you're doing now, feel it, that because you're there, the emotion won't be able to move. And you'll not think. But see that you're not thinking. Don't be confused by it. Confusion is hovering between the two. See for yourself you are not thinking. And that's it. All your life you've been taking the blame for trying to do the impossible. Every time you've laid awake trying to stop worrying, it was impossible. It still is. It always will be. Because it is the emotion doing the worrying, not you. You're not thinking, not worrying now, are you? Check inside. Why aren't you thinking or worrying? Because you are holding the emotion of the thinker inside you with your intelligence. Feel it? See yourself doing it? Now listen to this and see, by feeling yourself throughout, that it is the truth. The anger, frustration, or resentment you feel in your life are distress symptoms of the disease in your brain. They are not of you. They are the heat or emotion of the disease. Just like copious sweating and irritation, are symptoms of other diseases of the body. You don't say you're responsible for sweating when you've got a fever, do you? You don't feel guilty or that you've failed again, do you? Of course not. You know it's the sickness you can feel causing the reactions. Well, at this moment feel the pressure, the tightness, the resistance, the emotion in your body if it's there. That's the feeling of the sickness in the brain. And so are any other demanding, damning, or damaging emotions you feel in there, at any time. When the brain is cured or clear, you will feel love, delight, well-being in your body without emotional interruption. Sometimes you feel it now, when the disease is quiet. But it doesn't last, does it? It's not long before you're reeling under another bout of the worrying, thinking sickness. See if you can see in your own experience that it is the sickness of thinking that makes you feel guilty, tense, nervous, and all the rest of the negative emotions that are spoiling your enjoyment of life.